Hello and welcome to another video from TW White & Sons. Today I am videoing this lovely white Suzuki SX4 ALLGRIP, meaning it's four-wheel drive. This is the SZ5 version, meaning it comes with a full leather interior, comes with a panoramic sunroof, keyless entry, rear parking sensors, diamond cut alloy wheels, and also comes with front parking sensors, as you can see, with the LED daytime running lights. Very good example of a Suzuki S-Cross. Very nice pre-facelift 2019, so 69 plate, so 2019, with, just show you those wheels again. The SZ5 comes with these lovely diamond cut alloy wheels, and as mentioned, it comes with a full leather interior. Very nice and comfortable to sit in. Have a bit of leather on the door up here as well, near your window controls and your wing mirror controls. A little control panel here with your radar brake support, traction control, your fog lights, etc., and your start stop button, and it's got keyless entry. You just hop in, so shut this door. So welcome by this leather steering wheel. You have your infotainment controls to the left of your steering wheel, and a few down there for your Bluetooth, and you can speak to the car and everything, and Siri and Google if you have your phone connected. You have your cruise control settings there. You've got your light stalk and your wiper blade stalk. Up here, as you can see, this car's done just under 30,000 miles for the age. That is very good, very low mileage for the age. If we come over here, we've got our radio / infotainment screen. If you click on here, you've got FM radio and a bunch of different ones. I prefer DAB myself because you get a better connection. Let me press home. You've also got built-in sat nav on these as well, with it being the SZ5. Very good to use. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, things like that. You've got your reverse camera as well, which pair nicely with those parking sensors you get at the back. And because this is an S-Cross, you have your heating down there, and you get heated seats. Our only Suzuki model that does come with heated seats, so very nice to use in the winter. Now it's getting a little bit warmer, maybe not, but still a very nice option to have. And as it's the ALLGRIP, you've got your four-wheel drive selector here. So if we look back up on the screen here, if I push sport, comes up with a nice sport notification. If I press auto, comes up with a nice auto notification. If I go down to snow and mud, comes up with a snow and mud notification. And if I go to sport again, or sorry, snow and mud again, I can lock the diffs as well for the hardcore 4x4 off-roading that you may do in an ALLGRIP. So let's take a look at the back quickly. I'll also show you the sunroof in a second. It comes with a nifty sunglasses holder, which actually has some in there. Very nice. So if I move to the back very quickly, as is the same with all my videos, the seat, front driver seat, is all the way down and all the way back, and you still get a lovely amount of leg room there, along with the rear leather seats as well. You have the rear middle passenger seat, which also doubles as an armrest with the cup holders, and you're welcome to some leather on the inside of the doors as well. So yeah, very good spec car. Here's the sunroof. It goes right the way back. Very nice to use in the summer for the few sunny days we get here in England. It's very nice to use. So looking now back around the car, the wheels are in great condition. I know I keep going back to those, but I just love the diamond cut alloy wheels they put on the higher spec models, Suzuki. So just to see your grip badge there, SX4 badge, along with these LED rear lights, which are quite bright, very good. Let's get another look at the back here. It doesn't look like a big car from the outside, but it is plenty big enough for small families, big families, couples, gardening supplies, you name it, you could probably get it in a S-Cross. And because it's the ALLGRIP, it comes with this lovely black cladding around the outside, makes it look a bit more, I think it looks a bit more aggressive personally. Look at the front there with the LED daytime running lights, looks angry. But the black cladding makes it look like an off-road. It's meant to be off-road. It's meant to be used in the woods, you know, something like that. But yeah, very nice car. This car comes with a 1 year warranty. That includes parts and labour, anything that's not what we would call consumables, which is tyres, brake discs, brake pads, etc. Gearbox and engine, electronics, that's all covered. Anything that is, you know, that the user can help the longevity of, we do not cover. Also, we take any car in part exchange. By any car I mean any car, and we do try and match the online prices, and we try and match other dealers' prices as well. So if you're interested, give us a call, pop us an email, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.